Lampic hair dryer is an amazing hair dryer. It's an amazing for you or as a gift. I just love it. It's 1500 watts and works on 120 volts. So let's see how fast it's gonna dry my hair. Comes with a magnetic diffuser, magnetic concentrator nozzle. This is the magnificent hair dryer. It's silver, and those are the settings, 2 wind settings like 1 and 2, and this is the temperature settings. This is the branding in here. Wow, I'm so in love. Look at this. Look at this. You see it? And this is the cold. This is the hot, so I'm going to use the hot. What I like about it that it's not too loud, so it doesn't really cause a lot of noise and bother people who are living with you in the same house. My hair is completely wet, so we'll see how long it's gonna take. I can say like my hair is 99.99% dry by only 3 minutes or less, or even 2 minutes. Like, look at this, my hair is like dry. I love it. This is super fast. It says it's high speed hair dryer, but I did not expect this result at this speed. Love it. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.